Hey everyone, what's up? It's Jill, and today we are going to put Kodi on a brand new Fire Stick and also add a build onto it. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do is up at the top of the screen, we're going to scroll over to Settings, and we are going to go to Device. We're going to go ahead and click on that, and we're going to scroll down one to Developer Options. We're going to turn on ADB debugging, and we're also going to turn on apps from unknown sources. So go ahead and click turn on. Then we're going to go ahead and click our home button. And right to the left of the home button is a little magnifying glass. So we're going to go ahead and type in downloader, and you do need to type it all the way out because there are several options. So DOWN LOADER. And we'll go ahead and select on the first one right there. And there it is with the arrow white arrow pointing down with downloader on it in orange and white. So let's go ahead and click on that. I do already own it on this particular account, so it says download, you own it. Yours quite possibly will say get it. So go ahead and click on that. And if you do get an error message right there, it's most likely because you don't have a payment account set up with your Amazon account. You do need to attach some sort of payment account even to get free apps. So this app is completely free, but again, you do need to have a card on file with your account. So go ahead and click open once that is ready, and we're going to go ahead and click OK. And our cursor is already right up on the URL, so go ahead and click the center button of your remote. And here we're going to type in Kodi, KODI .tv. And then we're going to go down and select Go. So that's Kodi.tv. And go ahead and click OK. And it's loading the Kodi TV website. The red circle is your cursor. So as soon as it lets you take that down, go ahead and take that down. And we're going to click on the little Android bot right there. And again, take your red dot down, and where it says choose your weapon, we're also going to go click on the Android bot again. And I'm going to select the one in the middle, which is the ARM V7A 32-bit. I can get somewhere close to it. There we go. And that is going to download. So depending on your internet speed, it should download pretty quickly, hopefully. So what this is going to do is just get us the platform of Kodi onto the Fire Stick. It won't have any content on there, but it is getting us the Kodi app on the Fire Stick. So we'll go ahead and do that, and then we'll go ahead and add a build to it. So once you get this screen, do you want to install this application? Select down until your gray bar is on install, and go ahead and click install. And again, this shouldn't take too long, depending on your internet speed. Mine's hit or miss. I'm in an area where you can't really get it as high as I would like, so I've learned to be a little bit patient. All right, and we get the check mark that it's installed. So go ahead and click done on that. And then this here, we're going to go ahead and click delete because we're not going to save this. It'll just take up space on your Fire Stick. So you can go ahead and click delete. And do we really want to delete it? Yes, we really want to delete it. So once you've clicked that twice, go ahead and hit the home button. And that will take us to our home screen. And now we're going to go down to your apps and games. And we just put Kodi on there, so let's go slide all the way over to See All, and it should be at the very bottom. And once we use it, it'll move to our recents, but if you would like, you could hit the button that has the 3 lines on it, and select move to the front, and that will move Kodi to the front. But again, once you use it, it should be showing up in your recents. So we can go ahead and click our home button again, and there's Kodi right in the front. So we're going to go ahead and click on that and let it load. And as you can see here, we have version 17.6 Krypton. I know they're working on version 18 right now, and so you might want to update to that once they have that all worked out. But this is your main screen in Kodi right now, and we don't have anything in here yet, so it's pretty empty. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go take our cursor up, and in the middle is the little gears button. We're going to go ahead and click on that. We're going to go over to System Settings. We're going to go down to Add-ons, and we're going to go where it says Unknown Sources. We're going to go ahead and check that on. And we're going to get a warning that it'll be able to access data stored on this device. Yes, we do want to proceed, or else you won't be able to get any add-ons. So that's done. So now we're going to go ahead and just click your arrow to get us back to this screen here, and we're going to go down to File Manager, and we're going to go to Add Source. And on this particular Fire Stick, I'm going to put one of the Supreme builds on here. So for the path, go ahead and click where it says None. You're going to type this in exactly as I do, and it is a long one, so bear with me. http:// repo, R-E-P-O, .supreme, S-U-P-R-E-M-E, builds, B-U-I-L-D-S.com. And then we're going to go over and select OK. So that should read http://repo.supremebuilds.com. So we'll click OK. Then we're going to enter a name for this. You can really call it whatever you want, to be honest. I'm going to call it .supreme. And then we'll go ahead and click OK, and click OK. And now we are going to back out again and back out again. And now we're going to scroll down to add-ons. We're going to go ahead and click that. And right up above where it says video add-ons, it looks like a little cardboard box. It actually looks like the Dropbox logo. So we'll go ahead and click on that. And here we want to go down to install from zip file. And there's our .supreme that we just entered. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And we're going to go down to where it says repository Supreme builds and click on that. And we'll give it just a minute. And our add-on has been installed by the Supreme builds. So now we're going to go up to install from repository, and we're going to go to the Supreme builds repository, and then we are going to select program add-ons. And here we're going to select Supreme Builds Wizard. Hopefully I'm not going too fast for you guys. And then we're going to go ahead, it's already highlighted to install, so we're going to go ahead and click install. And the Supreme Builds Wizard add-on has been installed. So welcome to Supreme Build Wizards. That's great. I'm gonna go ahead and dismiss this. And this is just giving you all the defaults, so I'm gonna click continue. And here I'm going to go to build menu. And now I'm going to go down and I'm going to go to 17.6 titanium USA server, the first one I'm going to try. If the first one doesn't work, we'll try the second one, but normally it does. We're going to go ahead and do a standard install. So the one in the middle. And yes, I would like to install that. And this will take a little bit longer than downloading the Kodi, but it shouldn't take too long. So hopefully you guys were able to follow along with me there and see this on your screen right now. This is usually the part in the video where I rant, but I really don't have anything to rant about right now. I'm just so busy that nothing's really consuming my brain right now. So I apologize, no fun rants today. So we're moving along here, and to be honest with you guys, I've been so busy, I haven't really been on Kodi lately, so I'm not really familiar with the add-ons that are working. I know there was a lot of issues before Christmas time with a lot of the add-ons. Just so you know, they come and go, so don't get too attached to one and only to find out that it doesn't exist anymore, or someone's not updating it. Just roll with it, and usually this particular build, the titanium build, will update itself. So if something's not working, it usually takes it off. If something new is coming along that is working, it gets added on. So hopefully you will be able to find everything that you need on this. And also, if you are a basketball fan, since it's March and March Madness is coming up, I do actually recommend doing a Sling TV free trial if you haven't done one already. I know they do 7 days. I've seen some where they're 30 days. I don't know if you need a code for that, or if you can, or even if you just buy it for 2 months. Sometimes if you pay it in advance, they give you a free Fire Stick, which kind of covers the cost of the Fire Stick, and you get Sling TV for 2 months. But on Sling you can get TBS, TNT, and those show a lot of the games in the early stages. So, and the picture's usually really great on that. All right, we should be finishing up here. My screen kind of went like it's going to fade out. So yours most likely did the same. You can click any button. I usually just click the center button. It's not going to cancel this. I'm going to wait just a second, but okay, that came up. So if you click your button just to see, and it says, would you like to force close Kodi or reload the profile? And we're going to go ahead and select force close. So now Kodi is going to shut down, and then we are going to restart it, and our build should be in there. So if you want to go ahead and click on Kodi, this time when we open it, it should open to our new build where we actually have some content. And I'm not sure, because again, I haven't messed around with Kodi in a while, but I know previously with the titanium build, I found that when you're going to look for your movies, if you're on Elysium, I'm pretty sure that's working pretty good right now, that you might need to close out again and then reopen it, and it works better. But just play around with it. So we're here. This is your main menu. This is your movies. So we have down here Placenta. Oh, we'll let this go ahead and update. Neptune Rising, The Pyramid, Bob Unleashed, Not Sure, and UK Turks. So these are all pretty new to me, actually. I'm familiar with Bob Unleashed. I've never really used it before. Placenta seems to be pretty popular. Just looking over here to see if they have anything. All right, so that's for movies. TV shows, it looks like you're getting the same thing. Free live TV, sports replays, combat zone, a kids zone, Spanish, Gears TV, which is something that you do need to subscribe to, Vader Streams, I'm just waiting till everything, when you see the little things down in the bottom corner, it means that they're updating. So once that settles down, we'll try and open something just to see if we can get a stream. And then I'll end this video because it's going a little longer than I would have liked. So we'll go ahead and click on movies. I just always, I mean, you can select any of these. We'll just go with most popular right now. And as you can see, we're still updating down there, so and there's your selections there that you can choose from. So you can go ahead and try to open those up and see if they work, but should work. So hopefully you are good to go. Thanks for watching.